Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a green love seat and sofa with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start with our love seat with a 2x4 plate. I want to flip this over. Right here I'm going to set down a 1x2 plate, and right behind that a 2x2 plate. Then we're going to flip this right side up. Now we're going to take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate. On the top side, place a set of 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. I want to make two of these, and I want to slide these on both sides, as shown. Right here, back side of our 2x4 plate, a 1x4 plate right on top, followed by a set of 1x2 flat tiles. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 by 1x2 upwards angular plate, place a 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow, as shown. I want to make two of these. I'm going to place these right on the bottom side. These are going to form up the arms of our love seat. Then, right here in the back, a pair of 1x2 bricks and a set of 1x2 jumper plates. We're going to offset this a bit with a 1x3 plate. Right in the center, a 1x1 flat tile, and a set of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Now I want to dress these studs here on the side, so I'm going to cover those up with a set of 1x3 flat tiles to complete the love seat. Now I want to slide our love seat out of the way. I want to do a sofa. Take a 2x6 plate. We're going to flip this over. Right here, I'm going to set down a 2x4 plate, and right in this area, a 1x4 plate. We're going to flip this right side up, right on the back studs of our 2x6 plate, a 1x6 plate, and three 1x2 flat tiles. The studs here are going to be used to anchor down minifigures to the cushions of the sofa. Now I'm going to take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate, place some 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bows right there. I'm going to make two of these, and we're going to slide these in on the back studs, as shown. And we're going to take a 1x1 by 1x2 upwards angular plate, place a 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow on the top. I'm going to make two of those, and we're going to slide these right here. Then in the back, a set of 1x2 bricks and three 1x2 jumper plates. Just like with the love seat, we're going to have an offset. Place these right here, and we're going to place a 1x2 plate here and a 1x3 plate here. Sorry, there's no 1x5 plates with that color, so I have to use that. And right on top, we're going to lock that together with a 1x3 flat tile. And let's soften up the corners here with a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. And we're going to crown off these studs here with a set of 1x3 flat tiles to complete the sofa.